In this video, I'm going to be showing you an insane super trend indicator trading strategy that will make you crazy money trading binary options. But before we get straight into the video, man, you guys are seriously missing out on this opportunity. I provide the best binary option signals in the game, 5 signals per day, 25 signals per week, 100 signals per month, including weekly breakdowns for only $10 per month. It is literally a joke. The current results that you're seeing on screen right now is from this past week alone. We made 18 successful trades out of 25, making insane profits. All I'm saying is you guys are missing out big time. It's going to cost you $10 to join my VIP signals room, and that's the price of a McDonald's combo. Try it out for a month. I can tell you right now, it'll completely change your trading experience, and you're going to want to renew that membership every month because these signals are so damn good. Now, I'm sure some of you are quite skeptical right now. Therefore, I have a free Telegram channel which you can join, where I provide 3 free signals per week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during New York session, as well as my daily, weekly, and monthly VIP signals room results. So what are you guys waiting for? Go to the link in the description below and get started today. So you're probably wondering what the super trend indicator is. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. When you see a red line with the lower label, you sell, and when you see a green line with the higher label, you buy. Now, the super trend indicator identifies short to medium term uptrends and downtrends. Now, the super trend indicator is pretty neat on its own, but at times it can provide us with some pretty inaccurate data, especially during ranging consolidating market conditions, like in this example we have over here. So therefore, we're going to spice things up and we're going to make this strategy even better. What you're going to want to do is click on the indicators icon, and in the first column, second from bottom, you're going to want to click on the super trend indicator twice more. Now you're going to have 3 super trend indicators on your chart. Now, once you've added these super trend indicators to your chart, we're going to be changing the input values of all 3 super trend indicators. So the first super trend indicator, we're going to change the ATR period to 12, and we're going to keep the multiplier as 3. Now, the second super trend indicator, we're going to keep the ATR period as 10, and we're going to change the multiplier to 1. And lastly, the third super trend indicator, we're going to change the ATR period to 11 and the multiplier to 2. Now, once you've changed the input values of all 3 super trend indicators, your chart should look something like this. So these 3 super trends will provide us with far more confluence, allowing us to open better quality trades on a more consistent basis. Now, just to keep things simple, in order to open a buy position, you want to wait for all 3 green lines to appear below the candlesticks, and in order to open a sell position, you want to wait for all 3 red lines to appear above the candlesticks. Very, very simple rules to follow. Okay, so now that we've set the super trend indicators up, we're not done yet. We're going to make this strategy even better. In order to make this strategy even better, you're going to want to click on the indicators icon once again, and the third column to the right, fourth from bottom, you're going to want to click on the moving average indicator. So once you've added the moving average indicator to your chart, we're going to go ahead and change a couple of things. You want to change the period from 10 to 200 and the moving average SMA to EMA. Then you're going to want to go to styles, and we're going to change the line color from green to white, and then you can go ahead and click on save. So the 200-day moving average will provide us with even more confluence, giving us a better idea of the long-term trend in the market. So to use the 200-day moving average to our advantage, when the price is below the 200-day moving average, we only open sell positions. When the price is trading above the 200-day moving average, we only take buy positions. And when the market is consolidating, you see the price bouncing up and down off the 200 EMA like in this example we have over here, you don't want to be opening any trades at all. You'd rather want to wait for a firm uptrend or downtrend before making any trading decisions. This sort of discipline is very important, especially when it comes to this strategy. Okay, so now that we have everything set up, let's go over how to trade this strategy effectively. So when it comes to trading this strategy, we need 2 confirmations before we open any position. We need to know if the price is above or below the 200-day moving average, and this will help us make a better decision as to whether we should buy or sell. The second confirmation we need is provided by the super trend indicator, and here we need to see that all 3 lines are visibly below the candlesticks to open a buy position, and we need to see that all 3 lines are red above the candlesticks to open a sell position. Now let's get into a couple of examples on how we would trade this strategy. Just to inform you guys, I am on the 1 minute time frame, opening 3-minute positions only. This strategy works for any time frame. I personally prefer the 1 minute time frame. I like to get into a trade quickly. I like to get out of a trade quickly. Get in, get out, take your money and run. That's what it's all about for me. Anyway, taking a look at the first example we have here on EuroCAD, as you can see, we've got our first confirmation. The price is trading above the 200-day moving average. And here we've got our second confirmation. As you can see, all three green lines appear below the candlesticks, indicating that we should buy. Now, because we're on the 1 minute time frame opening 3-minute positions, we would be opening a position on this candlestick roughly over here, and the trade would have closed on this candlestick over here, and that would have been a profitable trade. Moving on to our second example we have here on Australian dollar to Japanese yen. As you can see, we've got our first confirmation. The price is trading below the 200-day moving average. And here we've got our second confirmation. As you can see, all three red lines appear above the candlesticks, indicating that we should sell. So we'd be opening a position on the opening of this candle over here, and the position would have closed on this candle over here. And again, that would have been another profitable trade. And that's how simple it is to trade this strategy. It's straightforward, it's easy. As long as you're disciplined and you stick to the rules, you will be profitable. So for those of you that still seem unsure, what I'm going to do is get into a couple of live trades and show you guys how I would trade this strategy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And that's how we do it, 3 out of 3 trades. You're probably wondering why my balance is always something different. I do trade in my own time, so therefore it's always something different, it's always something interesting. But besides that, we stuck to the rules, we kept it simple and got 3 pretty decent positions. Now just keep in mind, with this strategy, you're not always going to win. You will lose at times, but it's all about how you manage your risk. I do not recommend using more than 1 to 3% of your capital. If you do have a small account, it is understandable. At the same time, I also do not recommend that you open more than 3 to 5 trades per day. Take it easy, keep things simple, stick to the rules of the strategy, and you will be profitable. But that will be all for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.